Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable Linux Beta on a Chromebook. Linux Beta will be an essential tool for most of my tutorials and how-to videos. This is a fairly easy process and takes little to no skill. The process may be slower for those with weaker devices and or slower connections. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. First things first, what you're going to want to do is open the settings, which is a little icon app, or you can also go to the apps. After you're done, click the three lines at the top and scroll down to Linux Beta. Click Turn On. After this pop-up comes up, press Next. You can give it any disk size you want and customize your username. Install. This process may take a few minutes, so I'm going to speed it up. Now the terminal has finished downloading and is ready for use on your Chromebook. You can access it from the apps page, or you can just pin it like I did right there using right click and pressing the pin button. You can run any commands you want and download any Linux files that are supported with Chromebook. Have fun!